Welcome to this week's Candid Kam, and we are here with our friend Jovon Quarles from Elite SEAL Fit. Now, one of the big things that we are doing at Build It Live this year is we have Jovon and his team coming in to give us a Navy SEAL experience. Now, Jovon, I know a lot of our partners, IT people aren't always known for being the most fit people. Do we need to be benching 360 in order to attend this session? I want to make sure that all of our users know what to expect.
Well, first off, I want to say thanks a lot, Cam, for having me to be a part of the organization. I'm excited about this partnership, this collaboration. And to just get into your question real quick, I want to say no. People do not have to be physically fit. They don't have to be an Olympic athlete. I'm 44 years old this month of August for my birthday, so I'm a Leo. But what we're going to bring to you all is something totally different that you do not need, and nor are you required to be some physical specimen. We are going to challenge you, though. That's one thing I want everyone to understand. The challenging will be there. We are expecting for you to give us every bit that you do have in you. Of course, not trying to hurt yourself. We don't want anyone hurting themselves out there, but to get the full benefit of what we're trying to teach and what we want you to learn, we're going to need your participation as well. 100% participation. That's the number one thing we have in the SEAL community.
So it's maximum effort, and you all get an A for effort. So we're really excited. We can't wait to have this really exciting component of our event this year. It's going to be on September 11th. So if you haven't registered yet, please do so now. You can register at www.itbd.net/live. The event itself is happening from September 9th through the 11th in Orlando, Florida, and both Jovon and I look forward to seeing you there. And I'm getting ready. I'm already doing my push-ups. See you then.